Hi, in previous videos we talked about HTML, what it is, where to use it. In this one we're going to start talking about how to create it. Specifically this video will talk about HTML links. So if we go to the ones we have already prepared, we'll show how to do some so you get an idea. And you'll see first of all that you have three types. There's text links, image links, and button links. And I'll show each of those. I'll do a text link first, and also, all right, let's just start with that. So we're going to do a place menu. So what we do is we click on the link button, we select place menu. Here's where you have the option. You can enter the text that you want. So let's put just to differentiate it from the other one. And then you can choose to have text, image, or button. Let's leave it at text for now. We'll change it to the other ones later. And then because it's a place menu, we need to select the place. And let's say we pick that one. And now we're okay and select. So there it is, place menu. It's a text link. We click on it, we get the place menu, and we can interact with the place. All right, so as I mentioned, place info is very similar. You select the place more info is the same. Place menu we just did. The other ones that are the same, well, all right, then section is different. So section, let's do a section one. So section, this time we're going to do an image, and we're going to select the image. We're going to go to the saved, and we're going to go to the cupola, which is the Duomo, and we're going to select the place, and no, it doesn't matter. We'll just pick one. All right, and then we're going to, okay. All right, so there you go. Let's click it one more time so we can interact with it. And this is the section, and it's with an image. Now let's do a schedule with a button. Edit, schedule. All right, we're gonna link menu. We're gonna select schedule, and we said with a button this time, and main menu is fine, but we can select the schedule here. Let's do the 2-day tour. All right, so it's the 2-day tour. It's a button. Oh, so we need to go into non-edit mode to interact with it. And there you go. All right, so itinerary is the same, except it shows you the itinerary instead of the schedule. All right, map is different enough. We should go into that one. Map. So we're going to create a little space here. Then we're going to do the link. Then we're going to select map. All right, with map, you have a lot more options, and you have to play with this. Some of these are filters, so it's not additive, it's exclusive. So for example, if you select a place, but then you select a group and that place is not in the group, you probably won't see the place. Same thing, if you start saying only favorites, it's going to be very, very selective. But that's normally what you want, because you want to be able to show things that are in a group, but also part of a category, and maybe within a certain distance. So for example, you could say, show me all the Italian restaurants in the Duomo district that are less than 1 kilometer away. So that's how and then also you could say only visited. So if you've visited some restaurants, it'll show you the ones you visited and exclude. So if, let's say, you went to a restaurant the other day and you can't remember the name, if you clicked on visited when you went there, then it'll remember and do that. All right, so I won't even do that. It just give you an idea of how it works. Street View, you select the place, so it's similar to the other ones. Guide, you select the guide, and then you can actually go from one guide to another guide. URL, you can either grab a URL from a browser, or you can create your own URL, but you have to paste it. So you have to copy it from somewhere and paste it. Image, we'll do image real quick. All right, so let's select image, and all right, so it's text that goes to an image. All right, so it's this one. All right, so it's just a link to an image. Now, video and audio are a little different, and that's because they need URLs. So they're similar to the URLs. They need a URL. And I'll have another video or two to describe how to get video and audio from a Google Drive. Actually, how to get it, how to get it to Google Drive, and then how to get the URL from Google Drive. And that's it. That should be it for links.